Today we will learn the short trick to find HCF of any numbers, either they are 2, 3, 4, within just 2 to 4 seconds. Now to find the HCF trick, we start with two numbers which is 54 and 66. To find their HCF we have to find the difference between them, which is 12. So we have to choose the number which is list of them. In these three numbers the list number is 12. Now we have to find the factors of 12, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we have to check from here the greatest one, which of the greatest one completely divide 54 and 66. Now 12 do not completely divide both these, so 12 is not our number HCF. Now 6 completely divide 54 and 66 also, hence since 6 is our HCF. Now our result is 6. Now in similar way we find 26 and 98, the difference between them is 72. Now the shortest of both of these numbers is 26, so we find the factors of 26, which is 1, 2, 13 and 26. Now we have to see which of the greatest factor completely divide 26 and 98. Now 26 do not completely divide 98, hence 26 is not our HCF. Now 13 do not completely divide both these numbers, so 13 is not our HCF. Now 2 completely divide both these numbers, so 2 is our HCF. Hence our result of HCF is 2. Hope you understand it. Now for three numbers, in the similar way we put these three numbers and find the difference between them, and see which of them is list, which is 7 here. Here in these five numbers, which of them is list, which is 7. So we find the factors of 7, which is 1 and 7. So our, now we see that 7 completely do not divide all these three numbers, so 7 is not our HCF. Now 1 completely divide all these three numbers, hence 1 is our HCF. Similarly in this case we also find the difference and the list factor and the list number factors, which is 1 and 11, and 1 complete divide, 11 do not complete divide all these three, so 1 is our HCF. In the similar way we find the HCF of these three number, which is 672 and 144. Now we see that 6 is our list of all these five numbers, hence we find the factors of number 6, which is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now 6 complete divide all these three numbers, hence our HCF is 6. Hope you will understand it. Now the similar way we can find for four numbers here. These are 9, 4, 29 and 47. Now we find the difference between them is 5, 15, 18. Now we see that the list number here is 5, so we have to find the factor of 5, which is 1 and 5. Now 5 do not completely divide all these three numbers, so 5 is not our HCF. Here 1 completely divide all these three numbers, so 1 is our HCF, hence our HCF is 1. Hope you will understand it. If you have any query or suggestion, you may give it in comment box. Thank you. Like the video, share the channel for more such interesting videos. Okay.